Hello everyone and welcome to BOZWANG. Today I'm excited to introduce our BZW-50WX computerized cutting and stripping machine. This machine is designed for multiple round and flat sheath cables, and it can handle tail cutting, outer sheath peeling, and inner core peeling all in one efficient process. With its belt feeding system, it ensures precision and no surface indentation. The servo drive and subdivision control provide accurate length measurements, and users can store up to 100 stripping programs. The machine is user-friendly, with a 10-inch touchscreen that offers both Chinese and English options. It supports multi-layer stripping and automatic output recording, ensuring that the production process is as efficient as possible. It's designed for cables with outer diameters from 4 to 18 mm, and it can cut lengths anywhere between 0.1 and 100,000 mm with excellent precision. For outer sheath stripping, it can handle up to 200 mm at the head and 100 mm at the tail. The inner core wires can be stripped up to 30 mm, and it supports up to 6 layers of stripping. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and product highlights.